in this thing, guys. Looks like Viper. Yeah, man. Nice looking Viper. Man, check him out. Giant hood. Let's look at these guys. You see right through all of them. This is so clean. You can see my reflection. What up, trappers? This car is absolutely awesome. This is one of my favorite cars all time. I'd love to have one of these guys. I want one on the show. The other one out there is pretty cool too. We're gonna definitely have to get a look at that. Ooh, this is a lot newer one, I think. I like the older one better myself. But these, I mean, it's still a Viper, dude. Why wouldn't you like this one? And I'm sure the newer ones are probably more high performance. Woo, look at that, more carbon fiber. He's got the big screen in there. Look at that. Damn, guys, I bet you this thing is awesome to drive. This is probably definitely one of a kind experience. 14 Viper. Let's check it out. He's got a sticker back here. Absolutely awesome, guys. Absolutely awesome. Definitely some cool cars in here.